How do sardines reproduce? Have you ever wondered how those small, shimmering fish known as sardines bring new life into the ocean? Sardines are fascinating creatures that play a vital role in marine ecosystems. Their reproduction process is quite interesting and is shaped by their life in the vast ocean. Sardines reproduce through a process called spawning. During spawning, female sardines releases eggs while males releases sperm into the water. This usually happens in large groups, which increases the chances of fertilization. The mixing of eggs and sperm occurs in the water, a method known as external fertilization. This strategy is common among many marine fish and helps sardines maximize their chances of reproductive success. These fish reach sexual maturity quickly, often within their first or second year of life. They can produce a large number of eggs during each breeding season. This high fecundity helps compensate for the high mortality rates that sardine eggs and larvae face in the wild. The breeding season for sardines can vary depending on their location. For example, in the Mediterranean and parts of the Atlantic, the main spawning period typically runs from late autumn through early spring. In other regions, such as the Atlantic coasts of Europe, sardines may spawn for up to 10 months, from early autumn to early summer. The timing can shift based on environmental factors like water temperature and food availability. During the spawning season, female sardines develop eggs in their ovaries, while males produce sperm. When conditions are just right, both sexes releases their reproductive cells into the water. The fertilized eggs then float in the ocean currents, where they hatch into tiny larvae after a few days. These larvae are vulnerable, but those that survive grow rapidly and eventually join the adult population. Sardines are known as multiple batch spawners. This means that females can release eggs several times during a single breeding season. This strategy increases the likelihood that some offspring will survive despite the presence of predators and changing ocean conditions. From the perspective of marine life, sardine reproduction is a vital part of the ocean's food web. Their large numbers provide food for many predators, while their rapid life cycle helps them adapt to environmental changes. Understanding how sardines reproduce helps scientists monitor fish populations and supports efforts to manage fisheries sustainably. Monitoring sardine stocks is important to ensure healthy populations and support conservation efforts that protect spawning grounds. By studying sardine reproduction, researchers can better predict how changes in the ocean environment might affect these important fish and the broader marine ecosystem. So next time you see a school of sardines swimming together, remember the fascinating journey they take to bring new life into the ocean.